Hello everyone, let's look at the solution to this question. We have 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equals to 50. Find the values of x. Solution. Here we have 5x, 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equals to 50. Right. So here, let's look at this indices rule. If you have a raised to the power m minus n is equals to a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which equals to a to the power m over a to the power n, right? So applying this rule, we will have this one written as 5 raised to the power x divided by 5 raised to the power 2 equals to 50, right? So we make this 1 over 1 and cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, 5 raised to the power x times 1 we give our 5 to the power x equals to 5 raised to the power 2 times 50, right? We write this one as 5 to the power x equals to 5 squared. 50 can be written as 2 times 5 squared, right? Well, 5 squared will give us 25. So here we have 5x equals to 5 squared multiplied by 5 squared multiplied by 2. Right, so here we'll have 5 raised to the power x equals to, then we apply this indices rule again. So this rule, we have, if you have a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, is going to give us a to the power m plus n, right? So this rule here will be applied here, it will be applied here, right? So we have here as 5 raised to the power 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2, right? So we now have this one as 5 to the power x equals to 5 to the power 2 plus 2 will give us 4 multiplied by 2, right? So here we can apply logs because we are finding x and x is an exponent. So we can have here as log 5 to the power x equals to log 5 to the power 4 times 2, right? We apply the log to both sides. So applying this particular rule, the rule that we have here, if you have log a times b, is going to give us log a plus log b, right? So we can apply this rule there, we can apply the rule to this place. So applying that, we will have here as log 5 to the power x equals to log 5 to the power 4 plus log 2, right? So we can still see that we have x as an exponent here. We are going to find the value of x. So here we can apply this particular rule. If you have log a to the power b, it's going to give us b, it's going to give us b log a, right? If you apply this rule, this one becomes x log 5 equals to, here becomes 4 log 5 plus log 2, right? So here we have x log 5 equals to 4 log 5 plus log 2. So we divide through by log 5. So we have here as log 5, this place divide by log 5, and divide here too by log 5. Right, so here log 5 will cancel log 5, and log 5 here also cancel log 5 here. So we are left with x equal to 4 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So note that if you have log a divided by log b, is going to give us log a to the base b. So if we apply that rule here, we have x equals to 4 plus log 2 to the base 5. So this is the value of x. That is the value of what? X. We have here as the answer. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.